The ex parte order procured by Labour Party and Mr. BVAS to enable them procure vital evidence required for their petition. INEC filed an application seeking to vary those orders, particularly as it relates to the server, BVAS machine. Luckily for us today, the court refused to vary that order. That order is sustained and remains. In another ruling, the court was of the view that they are given the back-end server, which INEC undertook to provide to secure those materials, that order is partly sustained. Those initial orders are partly sustained. But in all, the good news is that the initial order of the court made on the 3rd of March, permitting Peter Gregory Obi and Labour Party to inspect the facilities of INEC, including the BVAS machine, which they intend to use to prove their petition. Those orders are sustained. The application seeking to vary it was refused. So that is the story for today. Thank you, gentlemen.
You're not taking the question?
My name is Ben Anachobe. Yes.
Are you able to interpret for us what happened and transpired today in the court?
The rulings were two. One is that the court held that there was no need to expect them to vary the order they made before, because there is no substantial elucidation of what the variation sought to be. Which means that the order they gave, that we have a right to inspect materials used for elections, stand. To the extent that we requested electronic copying of the database of INEC, that was refused. And the configuration, which is the word that has been worrying everybody, they said that INEC has a backing system, a backup system that can copy everything that is in the current electronic material, BVAS, whatever they have used for elections, where it will not be tampered with. Meaning that if we require those evidence in the course of the petition, they will be bound to produce them, because they cannot be tampered with nor destroyed where they are stored. That's why his lordship was talking about cloud or whatever things he was talking about. So I do not think that there has been a major variation of what transpired in the order given ex parte.
But you know,
what is clear to the ordinary person is that the election will go on, and that the BVAS use will be reconfigured, and that, but before the reconfiguration, the contents thereof are to be stored without problems, without any interference, as it is, as it were, transloaded from what it is to the
but if that is not yet done, the election happens apparently in slightly more than 2 days now. So you think there is enough time?
Are you asking me as an individual, or is it what was canvassed? That was not canvassed before the court.
Okay.
It is now the administrative duty of INEC to say whether they can complete the evacuation of facts and figures in the BVAS for storage purposes before Saturday or not. The court, it will not canvass before the court at all about the possibility or not possibility of holding election on Saturday. And it does not lie in my mouth to say that. It is INEC that will determine that. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I didn't know what to do. Huh? Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry.
Oh no, I've been prophesying from this for more than 20 years.
Chairman.
The people I trust, they had it.
But I want to come with you.
Oh, the man who am a lady.
Let me greet my
What did you say?
Maybe what they'll do, one day they'll say, this one, they'll name it after you.
After Mustafa.
How are you?
Fine, well, sir. Congrats.
We have to succeed here.
Yes.
Because since we've been here, we've been succeeding.
Where you feel it?
Okay, well done. Hey, okay. DJ. Benji. Lucky, how are you?
I had it look good the way you went that way.
Hold on.
Oh dear.
Are you sitting down there? I think I need to go back. Ah. Wanda bundawa.
Killing pregnant woman with hiccup, killing the amoko. Last time it was here every single day during the 2019. He was here.
La 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 la.